Follow me and you will see.
This is what happens when two things try to occupy same space at a time. There are more people popping in from the future. Your help was appreciated. Dr. Vance will meet you soon.
She was fused into the concrete wall, lifeless, like she was part of it.
That could have been us. Oh my God.
Convict Eric Everhart has escaped from a crashed, unidentified prison van.
I remember him. He's a serial killer from 2030. That van time traveled too.
Convict Eric... This is Dr. Vance. Meet me at the basket court in evening.
Half of us go to the police impound lot. Maya and I will meet Dr. Vance at the basketball court.